Everyone, I'm Simeon Gabriel, and today we'll be looking at some Python projects. And as a Python developer, you have to enrich your portfolio with so many Python project ideas so that employers can be able to reach out to you and know what you have done. Okay, and today we'll be building a program that will help us generate an acronym from given phrases. Okay, now stay tuned as you watch, and we're using PyCharm today, and you can go to my description to see the link on how to install PyCharm on your system. All right, now we'll start by defining a function. Define make acronym. Okay, is the function they want to use now, and want the function to take an input. Let's call the input phrase. Okay, and this is how to create a function. And what next? We'll say words. Okay, so words is equals to. Okay, now we'll give it a method that will split the phrase into individual words. So we use the dot split method. Okay, so here's what we'll do. Then we'll specify the acronym. Oh, we want the acronym to be stored. We want it to be stored on this, so we'll just use a quotation, an empty quotation. Okay, so say enter, and now we use a for loop to go through also for word in words. Okay, so this will enter, say acronym. Now what we want to do in this case here, I want the acronym to pick out from the phrase, the given phrase, to pick out the first word of each phrase. Okay, so and I want it to be included in capital letter. So we'll say word from this loop here, word. So for it to always pick out the first letter of every phrase, we'll include the zero index. Okay, so in Python, if you want to actually output a string or in a list, the index of every string starts with 0. So now we want to indicate want it to come out as a capital letter, so we say dot upper. That's the function we use. Okay, now what we specify here now, try to return, want this function to return an acronym. Okay, so I want it to return the acronym. Now we'll do some example. So let's say example usage. Okay, so now let's call the input phrase. Let's call this input phrase that will always collect the phrase. Let's say word health. Let's say word health organization. Okay, now we've done that. So now let's specify this as result. So I want to put it to say result. So let's call the function make acronym. Then now want to impute the inputs that will carry to be this, we specify here. So we'll say input, so input phrase be it. So now we are going to print the result, okay. Now okay, let me bring it down to avoid this error here. Okay, all right, now we're going to be running it. Run it. Now you see it comes with WHO. Okay, now let's enter another phrase. Let's say United Nations. Okay, or let's say United States United States of America. Okay, so we'll run. And now see what we have in USOA. Okay, you see, now we have some words where we have articles like they, on, in, is, of. Okay, and I don't want this off. I don't want Python to indicate this. So what we're going to do in this case, we're going to update this. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. We're going to include something in this function. We don't want the function to always output words that are not actually phrases, that are just articles. Let's exclude them by defining a variable here. Let's call the variable exclude words is equals to. Now let's specify the words in which, if they are in between our phrases, we don't want them to be outputted. Okay, so now let me call a list of what I don't want. Of, you see words like of, you see words like they, you see words like is, you see words like let's say and, you see words like in, you see words like on, and the rest. Okay, so let's just leave it here. You can add as many as you want. Okay, now we've specified here. Now let's go to the for loop and indicate a condition here. I'm going to indicate a condition here. Okay, say if words, the word, let's say lowercase words that are among these we specify here. If word in lowercase, not in excluded words that we already defined. Okay, what do we want to happen? Okay, so this will give it the proper indentation. Sorry, let's see how to have it. Okay, give it the proper indentation. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see this United States of America. We'll run it again. You can see it has been changed to USA. Okay, so you see, this is how to build a program that will give us the acronym of phrases. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, also like, and whatever you want and whatever you're finding difficult, and there are other of my videos that you can watch, so check out from there. So thank you very much. Take care.